Alright guys, here's the next device. You can see it's got kind of a familiar grill design there. Here's the back. It says SA-S70. Grab the box here. This is a Wheelock speaker SA-S70-FR 0.5 to 25.7 VRMS. It's a very interesting speaker design, to say the least. There's 4 terminals over here for this, and there would be 6 if this had a strobe. You have odd plus and odd minus, and then you have a 24 volt in ground. So the SA stands for self-amplifying, I believe. So what this does is you would feed a lower power audio channel to the speaker, and then you'd have an uninterrupted 24 volt power supply going into these terminals here, and that would self-amplify the speaker. And then there's these dip switches down here that would let you control the volume, which I think could go all the way down to like, oh gosh, I want to say like 60, 65 decibels. It could go very quiet. I don't exactly know what you would use these for. It's just an oddball device, to be honest. I've never seen them in person other than just this one that I have. I don't really know what to think of it, other than it's very odd. So that's that. Here comes the next device. Here's the next one. Let's see, another iconic design. There's a big strobe down there. Got a Wheelock tag on the bottom. There's the back, 4 terminals, and 9 different plugs here. And take this plug here, take it off. You have to take it off very carefully, and then put it on one of those other, here we go, put it on one of those other plugs there, and on this little tap here, or on the transformer rather, sorry, tells you all of the different wattage selections that you have, 25 and 70 volts, all the way from 1/8 to 8 watts. And it is a model number ET-1080-WM-24. 117 candela strobe, 18 to 31 volts DC, and it's a speaker strobe. Very cool grill design. I love this grill design. It's so cool. It's vandal resistant. I think in one of the status updates I did not too long ago, I showed this thing disassembled, and it's really cool how these little louvers are designed to basically prevent somebody from going in and trying to like puncture or destroy the speaker inside. And it's all metal. Very, very nice device. And a WM strobe on the front too. Always good. So that's it for that one. Let's get to the next one. Alright, here's the next one here. You can see it's a call point. It says weatherproof reset point red series 01 WRP-R-C1. Very neat looking call point here. Very interesting little back design there. That bracket and these little mounting points. Let me grab a tool here and I'm going to try to open this up. So there is the inside. Sorry about my hand, I just placed it in there. Turn that on. You see it is STI. So Safety Technology Incorporated. You have 4 terminals here. First terminal here for input, and then you have a blank terminal, one with a 470 ohm resistor built in, and then one with a 680 ohm resistor. And I think that right there is the company that sells them. believe it's an Indian company. And then here's the box that it mounts to. And it's not really a box though, but see, you have 3 knockouts here. 2 of them are covered with caps. And these 6 little notches here are where the call point would mount to, and then these 4 little things on the back are what you would use to mount the call point to a wall. So very self-explanatory with call points. Push in, thing pops open, you see a little flag pop down. Reset. You use this funky little key here. Stick it in, just like so. You can see the flag pushes away. This flag is spring-loaded. And turn, hear it pop, and you're done. I like this device. It's really cool. Just the fact that it's weatherproof really intrigues me. And how they would do a weatherproof design like such. Other than that, it's kind of just a basic little European call point. Nothing too special. So that's the end of this video. Next video we'll cover some more devices.